Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna be reviewing the Lady Gaga Haus Labs foundation. We're gonna be doing a full day wear test. It has gone viral and it's all over my For You page. I'm gonna go get my hair cut. We're gonna go get some coffee. We're gonna do it all. Let's get to it. So I only have my sunscreen on, which is the Clear Filter Sun Essence by Numbuzin. It is a Korean skin brand and I love Korean skincare. It's my jam. The foundation retails for $45. The bottle is nice, luxurious, and heavy. It does come also with a pump, which is ideal, a medium buildable coverage, award-winning, high-performance, clean foundation infused with fermented arnica. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. My skin is a combination, so it does get oily throughout the day. We're gonna be having on this foundation for about 7 or 8 hours. This also comes in 51 shades. Mine is in light, medium, neutral. We're going to be using Beauty Blender on one side and foundation brush on the other side. Let's zoom you in. Let's get close. I love that this foundation comes with a pump. At first, when I opened it, for some reason I took out the pump with it. I had no idea that it had a pump, so I thought it was like a paddle that it had. Anyways, I'm glad it's a pump. Your girl here is mind-blowingly crazy. So I'm gonna do a few dots. The consistency, it feels just like a normal foundation, liquidy, and it's not too thick, which I actually appreciate. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. Right off the bat, this is blending very easily, very seamless, which I love. That blended out like in 2 to 3 seconds. I love when a foundation can blend seamlessly, like so fast. It is medium coverage, leaning maybe to full coverage. If you build it out, it can turn to full coverage quickly. Feels like skin, doesn't feel like I have anything on. It has a little tiny bit of dewiness to it. It just gives you that nice skin-like finish. This is really, really pretty. You wanna always use a foundation brush to get the most out of your foundation, but let's go natural. Let's go with the Beauty Blender on this side. The Beauty Blender, it is going to, of course, shear it out a little bit, but which is still nice. It is blending perfectly. I do just prefer, for some reason, the blend with this, maybe it's this brush. It has like a line with Ulta Beauty and their brushes are so good. I just love this brush for foundation. It's just perfectly round and perfectly dense. I'm obsessed. I am still seeing my little texture peeking through, but it's okay. Overall, it looks so nice and glowy and healthy. I'm here for that. I'm gonna add just a little bit more so I can match it because I am gonna be wearing this foundation all day. Just gonna add it right here where I have some texture. I'm excited to go get my haircut because it has been at least 5 months since I got a haircut. We are gonna be doing my makeup. We're gonna skim through it because this is all about the foundation. My face is complete for the day. I'm gonna go get my haircut. We're gonna go get some coffee. It's 12:20 p.m. right now. We're gonna be just doing check-ins throughout the day. Okay, we have made it. I desperately need to get my hair trimmed. Oh, man, the holidays are crazy. People are out driving like crazy. This is me complaining and venting a little bit because everyone's so on edge and I'm just so done with people. Anyways, I get my hair cut in Avita Spa Salon. I'm just gonna be trimming off a bit of my hair, not a lot, and doing my usual haircut, which is a U shape. I do it with this lady and she is just like amazing. She takes such good care of my hair. I'm gonna ask me if I want coffee or tea. I'm gonna save the coffee for later because we're gonna do Starbucks after, but if they have wine, I don't care if it's 1 o'clock right now, I am having some wine because I am on edge. Okay, so we are done. This is the hair. The makeup actually has stayed in place. It has been about 2.5 hours now. Raindrops falling all over my face. The lady went really in there. This water fell all across here and the makeup is still on, so it's going strong. Let's go get some Starbucks and let's go pass by Publix. Got a iced almond sugar cookie latte with almond milk and a double shot because it's like that around here. Let me show you what I got from Publix because this is important. I got the Southern style potato salad. This is my absolute favorite potato salad from Publix. This is such a dumb haul. I got two. And for wine, I was gonna do the Miyomi wine, but I saw this one was like cheaper, or there was like a crazy sale on this one, so I got this one. And I also reapplied my lipstick because I feel like a little boy or something with this. Like, I got this wine. This one is Coppola Diamond Connection Pinot Noir 2022. I think this was like originally $18 and I saw it for $13 or something. So I'm like, yeah, I am gonna go home now. I'm gonna take a shower, but I'm gonna try not to touch my face because again, this makeup needs to stay through until about 8 p.m. tonight. So it is currently 3:06 p.m. right now, so I'm gonna do a check-in once me and my husband are on our way to the little gathering we're going to. So coming in for another checkpoint. It is now 4:52 p.m. Let's see how this face is doing. Makeup has stayed through. I am a little bit sweaty because I was mopping the floor, so a little bit of my oils are peeking through. This is not your typical day, but we've really put this foundation to the test, and so far it actually looks pretty good. Hey guys, it is 5:45 p.m. now, so I am almost in my last checkpoint. I wanted to show you what my makeup looks like now. I took a shower hoping that no water went through my face, but success. So I just made this daytime look a more nighttime appropriate, added some liner, added a bold lip, but did not touch the rest of the face. So my face has been the same since 11 a.m. this morning. I haven't added or retouched anything all day. This foundation is holding up. It is still perfectly intact. There's a little tiny bit of oil coming through. So yeah, I mean, it's holding up really well. I'm excited to show you how it looks at the end of the night, so stay tuned. It is 11:27 p.m. Way later than I thought I would be out. It's end of day and I am a grease ball right now. But let's zoom in and let's talk about this foundation and how it has performed. So this is the face after at least almost 12 hours right now. A little bit oily. However, the makeup has stayed on throughout the entire day. No retouch-ups. And as you can see, none of the foundation has broken off. It has remained in place. The foundation has performed fantastic. I would definitely give this foundation a 10 out of 10 based on the performance today because she has gone through a lot. She has gone through sweat, she has gone through water, she has gone through it all, and it looks really good.
And there we go, guys. It's time for me to get in bed. This has been fun.
That completes my foundation review for the Haus Labs foundation. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to take off all of this foundation and just get into my skincare. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a like and subscribe down below. We'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.